Hello and welcome to Brother Fredrick Beats. Let me just take you through how I made this beat in FL Studio. So let's jump into FL Studio. Okay, so I'll start with the drums. So just hear the kick. Go to the next sound, which is the shaker. Hear the shaker. Then there is a clap. Then there is another clap. Then the third clap. This one you can hear some velocity change. So like this one here, I've reduced some velocity here. So go to the next one, which is the snare. Then there is a stick. Then another snare. As you can hear in this beat, I've got a lot of sounds in the drum pattern. So just hear the drum pattern, all of it the way it is playing. Then I'll go to the melody, hear the organ. So let me just show you the organ which I've used for the chords. So it's from FL Studio. Just click in and select the roto organ from FL Keys, the one which I've used. And then I'll go to the next one, which are the strings. So just hear the strings. With the strings, I used strings from Expand. Just click here, go to strings. Then the one I've used is this one, which is 10 big soft strings. And I got the next sound, which is the Rhodes 8. So if I click on it, let me show you the Rhodes I've used from FL Keys again. So I've selected this one. Now I'll go to the next sound, which is this one, just hear it. So if I click on it, go on the channel rack. So this melody is from Expand. Just click here and go to this folder, which is 10 hard leads. Then I've used this one, which is 1022. So I'll go to the next one, which is the bars. Just hear the bars. So the bars which I've used is this one from FL Studio. Then I've got some log drums. So just hear the log drums. Let's start from here. So you can hear that the log drums, they are sliding at the end. Then there is another log drum, which is this one. Then this one is playing together with this one. Just hear them. Then there is this other melody. Just hear it. So this one is this melody which I've used from Expand. Just click here, then you go to soft leads. Then I've used this one, which is number 9, which is then thin red wine. So hear the beat. If I play it from here. So that's how I made this beat. So this has been Brother Fredrick. Thank you very much for watching, and I'm out.